Can you tell me two or three lines about this cream? It is a Himalaya baby cream. Okay.
Baby cream. Yes, yes, I can lot of
Okay.
I can speak a lot of things about this cream because I guess I have been using the same yes 8 years from 8 years. Right? So it is very happy.
Good morning.
Very good morning. How are you doing?
I'm doing good. Thanks for asking. What about your morning?
Yes, my morning has been well, and I am on apple pie order. Thanks for your concern. Yeah. Would you like to know what we?
Yes.
Okay, so my name is Manita. I am from the city of Delhi, and I am full-time homemaker blessed with two kids. As far as my study is concerned, I have also done my PG and BS too. Additionally, I am working on my communication skills so that I can be proficient in this language. It's all about me.
Good. Nice. Do you like role play?
Yes, I like role play.
So there is a role play we will play today. Like there are two characters. One is receptionist and second is mother who wants to admission in the school and she is doing an inquiry at the reception.
Mhm.
So which role do you want? Receptionist or mother?
Okay, so I will go through with receptionist.
Receptionist?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, very good morning. How are you?
I'm doing good, ma'am. Actually, I want the information regarding admission process.
Mhm. Okay, so tell me, how can I help you?
Ma'am, actually, my daughter is in right now fifth standard, and I want admission in your school. So, what is the procedure?
Okay, so first, I'm gonna give you our perspectives. So you have to read all the things, inquiry and some kind of instructions are also there, rules are also there. You have to follow. You have to check all the things. So let me give you this about this booklet. Please, ma'am, have this booklet and try to read all the instructions and queries. After that, if you are able to understand that, it is carry on the cake. If you are not able, so I will make you understand.
Okay, okay. Yes, ma'am, I have read all the prospectus, and there are two things like what are the essential documents which I have to submit it, and when will your school take a entrance test?
Mhm. Yes, written test is also mandatory, but I just want to interpret you here. Just parents, yes, test is also will be taken here in our school, so that they just want to check that parents are able to teach their child or they are not able to teach their child. So just we want to take the test of parents also. And there is one more thing I just want to tell you. You need to bring the certificate of your
Hmm.
daughter's school which she was studying earlier.
Okay, okay. And birth certificate is also mandatory?
Yes, certificate, migration certificate, Aadhaar card, and there are kind of copies like your home proof. It is also needed. Yes.
Okay, okay. So there is one, actually I have read all these things on your FB page because you have created a school page which is
Yes,
available on FB
yes,
and I
I
am
have
following this.
pages on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. So, and you can also go through with the Twitter. So we have 4 pages so
Yes,
that people
ma'am. Actually,
can
hmm,
school and our study.
yes, yes. And I have a query also, like I have heard that Indian government is giving some concession who have single girl child. Is this facility applicable in your school? Because it's a private school, so I'm just asking.
It is applicable in our school. Just you have to mention all the certificates of your daughter, and after that, there are kind of queries you have to go through. And I will discuss with my principal, and then I will apprise you that what kind of criteria should be used.
And when you are taking the entrance test, then how many hours or how many days you will declare the result?
I would say after 15 days. After 15 days, we will declare the result of your daughter because if we will hold it for 1 month or 2 months, so maybe she will be going late in her class. So we don't want to
Mhm.
waste our time. So we should go through with the criteria, and after 15 days, you can get your daughter admitted.
Okay. And I want a school tour also. So can you give me a executive who can give me school tour?
Yes, yes. Okay, let me call our executive. Hey, Nisha, come here, please. Ma'am is here. So, can you go with ma'am? Okay, ma'am. Yes. Yes, ma'am. She is here. You can go with her.
Hmm. Yes, ma'am. Your school is really very beautiful. Building is really so wonderful, and I am really want that my daughter should study in this school.
Mm-hmm. Yes, yes. We have a lot of opportunities for the students, but the thing is that there are very things or very rules we need to follow while the students is studying in our school. So kind of things they have to be patient, they have to be disciplined, and they should have the identity, right? Because
Mm-hmm.
identity is
Mm-hmm.
something by which you are known. So it is all the things are mandatory, and the dress of your daughter should be clean and clear, and the socks,
Mm-hmm.
all the things will be provided from by the school, right? All the copies, set, books, all things will be provided by the school. And if you feel that something is remaining, so you can take it from outside.
Okay, ma'am. Can you take the entrance test on the spot? Because right now my daughter is with me. Is it possible?
Uh, no, ma'am, it's not possible right now because we have to make the plan according to the plan we work.
Mm-hmm. Then how will you inform me that on which day we have to present here?
We will apprise you through WhatsApp, or if you want to take our phone number, you can take our phone number, and yes, we can connect to our phone or WhatsApp.
Okay. And for this form, I have to give cash or I can give payment by online,
In
by
which
card.
you comfortable, in which you feel comfortable, you can go with any.
Okay, okay,
Yeah.
okay. Thank you, ma'am, for your concern and for your suggestion.
Thank you. It's our pleasure because we are here for the service of our nation, and we are here for taking the students. So you don't need to say thanks.
Okay, ma'am. So it was a lovely, role play.
Yes, it was lovely. Yes, I used to do a lot of role play, but it's been long time now. Now I'm into practice of topics or random conversation. But yes, it is good for me because I have been doing it after a longer time of the period. So it's good for me. It also helps a lot.
Hmm. So what do you think about topic discussion or role play?
I think both are good because we have to get our fluency anyhow. So while we are talking on any topic, or we are having any kind of role play, so we are able to make the sentences, right? Different kind of sentences. So yes, both
Hmm.
things. Yes. So topics are the something where we get the opportunity to explain
Hmm.
and explain the thing. So it helps us a
Hmm.
lot in a I would say it's
And
my
hmm.
generalization.
Because I believe if we are discussing topic and if we are doing role play, then the video will be more engaging and we can
Mhm.
learn lot of vocabulary also.
Yes, yes, we can.
So do you want activity? If you want, then we can do.
Yes, 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 we can do.
Okay, this is a cream. Can you see?
Yes, yes, I can.
Okay.
I always apply this cream on my kid's face, so it is. I also use it for
Mm-hmm.
me because it is very helping. And whenever I try this cream on my face, I feel like my skin is like child, and it because
Mm-hmm.
it has a lot of moisturizer and many things are added here in this cream.
Hmm. I
Yeah.
also use the baby products because they are very skin friendly.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Do you have any question? Then you can ask.
Okay, so it's good. And okay, so I have a simple question, not that much
Mm-hmm.
sophisticated, because it is very first meeting hour, so that's why. Okay, so tell me what this platform. How did you get to know? How did you figure out?
Okay, yeah. One day I was just, scrolling my screen and that time I saw a video of famous YouTuber. Then I saw so many videos. That day I said, okay, I will start on my channel also. And then I started my journey.
Okay, so when did you start your channel?
9 months ago.
9 months ago. Okay, that's good. So are you getting good response from YouTube?
Yes, yes. I'm getting good response because I'm consistent.
Okay, that's good. Yes, consistency
Yes.
matters.
Because like if you are doing today conversation and after 5 days you are not doing any conversation. After some
Hmm.
time you feel bored why I'm doing this type of conversation. So I think first you should be consistent and you should do on a regular basis.
Yes, yes.
Yes. I think there is your child.
Everybody. Yeah. Yes, yes. My daughter.
You can take him in this conversation. There is no problem.
Actually, she is applying lipstick on her lips, and she is showing me, Mama, look at me, look at me.
Okay, tell me one thing. Why I have also observed like kids really love their mama's lipstick. Why?
So maybe they
They
are just
always apply, lipstick. I have seen my daughter also, using my lipstick when she was a kid.
because they always judge us. Whatever we are going, they always judge us because if I am applying lipstick, if I am having any makeup, so she also starts having. Because they judge us. Whatever we are going to do, they have the same thing. They always copy you and they try to like doing the same as you are doing. So this is the tendency, I would say, of kids.
Like she's applying right now your lipstick. Then how will you explain that it is not good for your skin? It is not good for your lips.
Because she has already applied, and then it came to me. Then showed me, Mama, okay, I have applied this, and now how am I looking now? So,
Because when my daughter was 3 years old, she has applied all the lipstick on her face, cheeks, and lips. That time I had taken so many pictures, clicked so many pictures of her.
yes, yes, our childhood is something we can get lot of things right again and again, but our childhood is something which we cannot, take again. It is only once
Mm-hmm.
for us. Yeah.
So how many sessions do you take in a day?
It's totally, bank upon my time. If I have time, I will take two or three. Other than that, I'm okay because one session is very mandatory for me because recently I started my video calling. Earlier,
Mm-hmm.
I had a lot of butterflies on my stomach when I was taking video calls, but now I'm, better than before. I'm okay. I can confer friends with anyone.
Mm. Yes. So if you have any question, then you can ask me. Otherwise, I think we should wrap up this session. What do you
Yes,
think?
we should we should wrap up because it is about 15 minutes. So wrap up the call.
Okay, okay. Okay, bye bye. Have a nice day. It was a lovely conversation with you.